Chicken of the woods, guys. It's an edible mushroom, and yes, it does taste like chicken. We're gonna harvest some of this and cook it up in the frying pan on the fire. Should be good eating. Pretty nice one. All right, let's go cut some of this stuff here. Oh yeah, that'll be a nice piece there. Chicken of the woods. What a color in that. Well guys, you can see what we got. Chicken of the woods here. Got a pretty nice batch. Let me bring you in closer and show you what I got. There we go. That was a pretty good harvest. Gonna cut some up, eat it fresh. I think I'm gonna dehydrate some so I could use it in the winter. Use it in soups and stuff. Check out the color in that. What a pretty mushroom. There we go. Okay, nothing special here. Just gonna cut this stuff up. Clean off if there's any dirt or bugs. That's all I'm doing is just cutting it into get some of the junk on there. It's bigger sizes like this. I think I'm gonna dehydrate some of those. Yeah, so we're just cleaning it up, looking for any like bruised ends that are look like they're kind of old. These look pretty clean still. They're real fresh. Ain't too much to trim up on these. Okay, so we just keep cutting up. Got a little ways to go here. Yeah, check out my new fillet knife here from a company called Montana Americana. It's got curly maple handles on it, stained. It's just a real thin, great fillet knife for slicing up mushrooms and stuff. Real great knife. Check them out, Montana Americana. Make a pretty knife. All right, back to slicing here. Actually, I think I'm gonna start getting some of these on the dehydrator trays. Get them going there. Dry up this big batch and I'll just eat some for fresh. I have quite a bit, but I'll use them through the winter. Put them in soups and stuff. Okay guys, got it all cut up. I think I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays. A lot of chicken in the woods in there. Gonna dehydrate all that. And then I saved a little bit of fresh stuff here to cook up. That'll be enough for a good little meal. Okay guys, just wanted to show you what these suckers look like. These chicken of the woods once they're dehydrated up. Came out pretty good, ended up with quite a bit here. Let's bring you in and show you what they look like. Okay, you can see they did lose a lot of moisture in there. They're dry. Watch when they hit the pan, listen. Yeah, bone dry. It'll be good for storing. I'm gonna probably just vacuum seal these up. And I'll just store them for later. All right, just wanted to show you what these guys look like once they're dried. I mean, they're really hard. Okay guys, we got the chicken of the woods on the tray. It's gonna let them air dry a little. They just came out of the dehydrator, so they're a little bit warm still. We'll let them get to room temperature and we'll bag them up. Okay, there we go. All vacuum sealed up. Should store for quite a long time like that. Well, we got 3 bags out of that. Not a whole lot, but it's enough. There's a lot of meals there. You know, once I open one of these, I only add a couple to a dish. Maybe put them in soup or something. Or just cook them over a fire. There we go. Well, guys, we got a good fire going here. It's been a while since I got back to this video here. I wanted to finish it. We're going to do the cooking of the chicken in the woods mushrooms. Got a nice healthy fire going here. Let it get burned for a while, get some nice hot coals, and we'll start cooking. We'll let that burn for a while. Let it burn down a little bit. Get some hot coals for cooking the chicken in the woods. Let's take a look at the Wisconsin River here. Take a peek. This time of year they really dropped the water level. And a little bit of lack of rain. We're probably down about 8 feet. You can see on that shoreline there, that straight line above the green grass, that's where the water's supposed to be. You can see boulders in there now. It's like a whole different world than it did this spring. A little bit of an overcast day here today. Alright, let's get back to get these chicken of the woods mushrooms going. Okay guys, here's the chicken of the woods mushrooms. I didn't have a chance to cook them last time, so I dehydrated them all. And now I just put them back in water, rehydrated them, and you can see they're just like when the day I picked them. Check out the color in those. Chicken of the woods. Alright, we'll get cooking these guys up here pretty soon. Show you how I do it. Little black walnut plate that my dad turned on the lathe several years ago. Pretty cool little piece. Okay guys, this is what we're going to use to cook up the chicken of the woods. This old antique cold handle fry pan I got at a thrift store. I cleaned it up, got the rust off, re-seasoned it. It's a real nice pan, old classic. Gotta bring it in close, show you. There it is, cold handle. It's a pretty sweet little pan, real light pack if you're going backpacking or something. Okay, so we're just gonna cook them up in that, real simple. Just some good butter, nothing cheap, this is good stuff. And just some good old plain seasoning. I really love this stuff. Let me show you up close what I got here. Yeah, that stuff there, that'll make the mushrooms pop with flavor. Let's get this butter melted. Alright, it's melting real good. Swirl that around in the pan a little. Alright, well, it's melting more. Just wanted to show you guys some cool tongs from a guy pretty close to me up here in northern Wisconsin. He makes these out of titanium, but they're super light. His name's Perrybuilt. Goes by Perrybuilt Knives on Etsy. But he makes these very cool, super light tongs. And boy, I've used these things quite a bit. Man, they're good for grabbing bacon, just about anything you're frying up. In my description, I'll have some info where you could get these very little cool tongs. Alright, let's get these boogers in there. Butter to move around. Okay, let's put a little seasoning on them. We'll do it again when we flip them over. Okay, I'm going to keep turning these because they do cook pretty quick. Okay, let those go for a little more. Okay, flip them again. Babies are cooking lovely. Okay, they're cooking quick. And we'll check them here in a little bit. See how they're looking. Okay guys, these are cooking real well. I don't think it's going to be too much longer. We'll give them a test here in a little bit. Okay, those are coming along real nice. Look at those. Okay guys, I got them just how I like them. Toasted on there. And there's all different ways you could cook these. This is the way I do it. Real simple. Alright, let's transfer these plate. Okay guys, here we go. This is crazy. Let me show you up close how much this looks like chicken when you rip it. Okay, watch this. Man, it looks just like chicken. Holy cow. Oh yeah, that's good. Just the right amount of seasoning and butter. Man, it tastes just like chicken. Okay guys, I'm gonna sit back here, chill by the river here and eat my chicken of the woods mushrooms. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it was somewhat informative. It's just the way I cook them, real simple and basic. Campfire chicken of the woods. Man, that's good. Wish you guys could taste it. Alright, time to sit and chill. Got a nice fire going. Watch the river. See if anything happens, see what comes by tonight. Take care guys, I'll see you later.